channel. So I'm going to just show you guys a detailed video on how I achieved this look. So you guys know I have already done a previous video on a simple makeup look, but it was not as detailed as this one that you guys are going to see now. So you guys should make sure you stay tuned and watch to the very last. You can wear this to work, to school, to the mall, for birthday shoots, you know, just basically anything. It's very simple yet very classy. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video. Don't forget to hit the notification bell below to get notified when I drop new spicy videos. Do well to leave a nice comment and a comment on videos that you want to see. So guys, firstly you just want to make sure your face is clean, prep your face. I have a more detailed tutorial on how to prep your skin before makeup. The link is going to be in the description box. Now as you can see, I'm just going to go over to use my setting powder on my brows just to make my brows very dry and prevent it from melting out after the makeup process is done. So I'm just going to draw my brows with this gel liner. As you can see, my brows appear to be so big, but that's not a problem because we're still going to conceal the brows. So I'm just going to conceal my brows, and I'm going to conceal the top of my brows with the foundation I'm going to use on my face. So I'm just doing that. I have a more detailed tutorial on how to draw your brows. I'm going to also drop the link in the description box. As you can see, I'm just blending out and I'm going to apply the eyeshadow now. I'm going to apply the concealer first and then blend out to act like an eyeshadow base for my makeup. Now I'm going to use the Morphe Jack Clip eyeshadow palette. This palette is my go-to eyeshadow palette. Like, I love this palette so much. So I'm just going to apply a very light orangey shade on the whole of my eye, and then I'm going to go over with my Huda Beauty palette and apply an orange shade, a darker one, just around my eyelid area, and just blend everything out as you can see. Then I'm going to go over from the Morphe palette again and take a lighter orange shade and just blend out everything to avoid harsh lines, as you all can see. Then I'll go over with a gold eyeshadow. I love using gold eyeshadow. I'll just apply that at the inner corner of the eye to just make the eye pop. Gold eyeshadow is very good for my skin tone, so I love using it. Now I'm going to apply the foundation, and then I'll just spray it with my glow spray a bit and then apply my foundation. This helps my foundation stay well, and then it blends out very easily. I don't have to drag, I just have to dab it as easily as you can see me do. So I'll just continue dabbing till I'm done. So I'm going to keep dabbing and dabbing till I'm satisfied and I'm sure it all blends out well. Then I'm going to use my concealer, the concealer I used in highlighting my brows. I'm also going to use that to highlight my face. And then before blending out with the beauty blender, I'm going to just spray again with my glow mist and just spray it so that it blends out easily. This is a trick I use especially when I want my makeup to be done so fast and so effortless. Now I'm sure you guys must have seen a couple of my videos that I use my powder palette to contour my face. Yes, I don't really like using the concealer to contour, so for this look I'm going to just use a very light amount of powder to just contour my face, and I'm going to contour beneath my jaw to my jawline. So I'm going to continue contouring my nose by using this fluffy brush. This fluffy brush helps me in getting a precise contour, especially for my nose, that the bigger brush cannot give me. So I'm going to just continue contouring my nose as you can see, and then I'm going to apply my setting powder to the highlighted areas of my face. I'm going to do this, I'm going to take only a little amount of setting powder and just apply that to my face and then my forehead region. I'm going to apply that to my jaw. So I'm going to keep setting my face And then I'm going to dust off almost immediately. I just set my face. I'm going to dust off. You want to keep this makeup look as simple as possible, so I'm just going to apply my lipstick. This lipstick is a very popular brand of lipstick. It's classic lipstick. I'm going to just apply that to my mouth, as you can see, work my way around it as little as possible, as simple as I can. And then I'm going to apply a lip gloss and just blend everything together. This look is the bomb, guys. So if you like what you see, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Feel free to share this video and do leave a comment on videos that you would want to see. As you can see, I'm just blending out the contoured area, and I'm also going to use my beauty blender that I used earlier in applying the foundation to just blend out everything. And I'm going to use my shade of powder for my Royal palette set, and I'm just going to dab it on the highlighted areas, and I'm not going to take much. I'm just going to be dabbing it and just using whatever I have left on the brush. So I'm just going to blend everything out together. Like I said, I'm going to keep the contour as simple as I can, so I'll just blend everything out with that same powder that I used in highlighting my face. This helps to keep the makeup as simple as possible. Don't forget to apply powder to your neck so that everything blends out and there's no serious transition between your neck and your face. So I'll just be applying my glow. As you can see, I'm really sure you guys enjoyed this look. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified when I drop new videos. Thanks for watching. See you all in my next video. Bye.